Think fast. The history of flight. What's the first thought that comes to your mind? Perhaps the famous Wright brothers? While that may be the most memorable instance of flight, there's actually a lot more to the history of it than meets the eye. Made possible by a generous gift from the Emil Bueller Perpetual Trust, guests will have a blast exploring the many interactive exhibits in the To Fly Aviation section in the Museum of Discovery and Science. Your journey through the history of flight begins by climbing into our variety of different replica aircraft simulators. Take off by embracing the future of aerial superiority with the Lockheed Martin F-35 Joint Strike Fighter, the cutting edge of United States multi-role stealth fighters, an aircraft capable of short takeoffs and vertical landings, embodying the next generation of military aircraft. Experience the adrenaline of the tournament in the Zivco Edge 540, an aerobatic, competition-based aircraft. Capable of a 3,700 foot per minute climb rate, it has been flown to victory on the International Unlimited Aerobatic Circuit several times since the mid-90s. Take a trip back in time with the F-4U Corsair, an American fighter plane which was primarily used in the Second World War and in the Korean War. This aircraft utilized the largest engine that was available at its time and quickly became the most capable carrier-based fighter bomber of both wars. To use the simulators, first reset on the runway, remove the brakes, and move the throttle to high. Don't forget to pull back on the joystick to lift off. Once you've had your fill of atmospheric flight, experience the future of spaceflight and take some time to visit our Mars rover and join our resident commander and his artificial intelligence AIM as they guide you over the surface of Mars. You'll have the opportunity to enjoy the many distinct features of our neighboring red planet, chat with some of the scientists on our surface research facility, and perhaps even experience a Martian sandstorm along the way. Between flights, don't forget to discover the intricacies of our models of space exploration, our mural of the solar system, and the diagram of the parts of a commercial aircraft. Stop by our traffic control tower and listen in on some of the processes of directing flight. Try out our Max Flight, a state-of-the-art simulator with 360 degrees of movement that will allow you to take to the cockpit of a World War II fighter plane. With room for two, choose your co-pilot and experience the thrill of accomplishing complex maneuvers while chasing down and eliminating enemy fighters. Don't miss out! Remember to partake in the 7D Theater, a multi-sensory experience that will send visitors on an exhilarating flight through the sky, placing passengers in the view of a futuristic fighter plane as it undertakes its mission to eliminate a target drone. Experience the generations of military aviation as you soar past aircraft of the past, present, and future. Welcome to the To Fly Aviation exhibit. We hope you enjoy your flight.